Hello and welcome to Wecom Institute. Hey, today we are going to learn if and nested if. Hey, actually in Excel, nested if is nothing, just a more complicated version of if. So people have given name nested if. Nested is when two or more if condition are involved, then it is called as if function, nested if function. Hey, let's start the if function. Very cool function in Excel. Hey, let's do the I have income of $5,000 and expenses of $2,000. Hey, so what will be my profit? What will be my profit? You simply know it. You simply know that my profit will be 3,000. What if my income is 1.5 dollar, 1.5 thousand dollar? Then my profit is negative. Hey, I want here whenever the income is lower than expenses. I am saying again, my income is lower than my expenses, then I want losses here. And I want just like that, losses. And I want book and this. So I want just like that. If my profit, then I want profit, then this one. So I want two of these in one cell. So we have to use if function. Let's proceed. If logical test is what do you analyze? What two things you want to compare? I want to compare with income with expenses. Hey, if my income, that means before, press F9, Control G. If my income is greater than expenses, that what I want? I want expenses. Oops. I want income minus expenses. And if this condition will false, what will happen? The expenses minus income. Press enter. Hey, let's see let's do this here also. This if this again the same procedure, this greater than this, then what I want? If income will greater than income, what I want profit, profit. or, or if my income is less than expenses, that what I want? Then I want expense. Oops, I want losses. Press enter. See, I will enter 8,000 here. Then see, the the profit is here 6,000. If I will put here 10,000 buck, then 2,000 loss. See, but what the If I will put 10,000, then loss. So I want to convert it also profit, then equal to, see, if my income is greater than expenses, then the result is profit. If my expenses is greater than income, then what the result is, then what the result is, loss of 2,000 buck. Let's do some more analysis on if function. Let's do nested if. Again, I want in this cell income greater than 5,000. Income greater than $5,000. Hey, is the 7861, then the result will come here, otherwise not, because it is greater than 5,000. Then it is greater than 5,000, no, those, so the result will not come here, it will not greater than, so not. So let's do if these greater than 5,000, then what I want is same. Otherwise, what I want, I was blank. Blank is denoted by two inverted commas. Boom. Press close parentheses, then press enter. See, control C. Boom. See, the income is greater than 5,000. I extracted those income only using if function. I can put the same situation here. If my income is greater than 3,000, then control C. See, the result is now different. Let's use nested if. Nested is if is work on two conditions. Let's do the same thing. I will do here income of, I will sort income of double A greater than 5,000. If, let's think what I want. I want income greater than 5,000, income greater than 5,000, and that income is belongs to only and only AA. So what I have to put, I have to put two conditions. One is the income is greater than 5,000, yes or no. Then the income is belongs to A, then yes or no. Let's do if this greater than 5,000, then what I want, if the income is greater than 5,000, then I want to compare A. Then I will use again if these equal to double A, then what, then the value is this. Otherwise, blank, close parentheses, close parentheses, press control enter, control C. See, only two cases income of A is greater than 5,000 buck. Let's do, let's understand again. If this income is greater than 5,000, then I want to check second condition. And what the second condition is? The second condition is if this one A4 is equal to what? Double A, then I want B4. B4. otherwise I will blank, and the result in this condition is well blank. So enter. So let's do